Welcome back everyone to another JBM Plays video here on the Forza Horizon 6 game. It is time. We are at the new, well not the new, but the next wristband event. It looks like we're going to be racing a rocket, which is going to be great. Yeah, so we're jumping straight into it here. Looks like we're in a Subaru Impreza maybe? Of some sort. I'm not actually sure. It looked like it had like a... Oh yeah, it's got like rally suspension and wide body kit and all sorts. This is a sick looking car. Yep, we're jumping straight into it. Recently off the last video where we got all the wheel spins, so yeah, looking forward to it. Oh, I'm stretching. Let's get it. So this will unlock purple wristband, I think, and then we're one off gold, which is Legend Island. So huge. We're getting there, baby. Let's go. Holy jump. Right, so we're racing the clock here. I didn't see what it was for 3 stars, but if I had to guess, it's probably going to be like 4 minutes. Terrible corner. Terrible corner as well. We're not off to a great start here. There we go. That's a little bit better. Still a bit slow, but no stopping. Worst racing line you'll ever see from me there. A bit of bump right there, that's fine. See one plane. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 car. Here we go. Over the humps. This is very similar to the Dockland, the Dockyard one. Holy, terrible. We're alright here. Yeah, this car's hard to get stopped, but once it's stopped, it's quite good on acceleration. And turning, I want to say. A lot of bumping of the walls here though, which isn't ideal, but you know, it is what it is. Just over halfway now. I think we're chasing the clock at the moment. Very, very tight. Yeah, that bump of the wall is... I can hear the rocket. There goes the rocket. That's a sick cinematic. I would have liked to be a little bit closer to the rocket. I think this event could have done all... Oh my god, Brendan, what am I? I'm actually throwing this race so hard. I cannot believe how bad I've driven. I think I would have liked to do more with the rocket, if I'm being honest. Okay, this is like the docks as well, where we're just going around, tight building. Oh, my corner. The sliding's not actually the quickest, but need to get that car rotated. Wow, this is very technical. Alright, I had to slide there. I mean, we're chasing the clock now. This is... Go, 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 to the line, to the line, to the line. Alright, definitely not the quickest. Are we going to get under 4 minutes? We do. Okay, that might actually be 3 stars, which I am amazed with because that was so bad from me. There is 3 stars.
That was ridiculous. Ridiculously good, of course.
Oh,
Wow.
anyways. I want to view leaderboard actually. What's like the 336.8? That's... Oh, no. I mean, fair play. Like those, they must just do that on repeat or something and just keep going. But yeah, there we go. We unlocked the new wristband 3-star, which is always big tick. And the purple wristband. So we are now 1 away from Legend Island.
Purple wristband is no simple task.
Okay.
You're
Thank you.
pushing towards the elite, and reaching this event will see you into legend status. These events are curated for the best of the best. Complete these, and your legend event will be waiting for you.
Alright. There we go. All the stuff unlocked that we need to get Legend Island. And where are we? We're down here. We have this speed zone here. 313, yeah, okay. On dirt as well, that's going to be tricky. Interesting. So yeah, we have a little bit of work to do to get to the next. We get that car. Let me actually jump into that. Subaru S. Automatic favorite, I reckon, because this thing looks sick. This might be this probably is the best car that we've done.
Legend Island. I'm sure I'll see you there.
How you getting on? These events are no joke. Really feel like we're part of the pros battling it out for that gold wristband. Well, I guess because we are. You got this. I'll see you there.
Alright, well, I mean, I'm looking at this car, and this is probably the best car that we've had out of an event. I'm trying to think, like, the Porsche was, yeah, it was alright. The Acura was actually pretty good. That might be it against the mech. Can't actually think of what else we have. Okay, that's very close, actually. I don't actually know if this is going to be able to do 300Ks. I mean, it's not the easiest thing to build up, but I mean, to get that speed camera, it's going to have to be from this point down. So let me just complete this road. All right, we'll give this one attempt, and if we get close, then maybe. But other than that, I don't think we're actually going to get close. What is that car? Oh my god. No way that thing just ruined it. Jesus Christ, game. I don't think we're going to get 300 anyways. Yeah, alright. We're going to need a new car for that. Anyways, in the meantime, let's go to... Yeah, incomplete. We have a new speed zone here. On that road, which I actually haven't been on before. New danger sign, which is always fun. I mean, that race looks good. We have a new cross-country race in the city. That dirt track looks as well. Not a lot of races, actually. Another dirt race. I mean, what it is with dirt races. You know, more trail races. Another, yeah, there's just so many dirt races, this thing. So, I mean, right, it's going into town. So if we go to, like, here, and then go to that, but we love a good danger sign, like, let's be honest. Jumping cars X 100 meters is always fun. So we're going to need a fast car. Actually, sure. Pretty sure I've not tuned it, but upgraded this car to a point where it's quicker now than the AMG one. So in terms of top speed, which that's all you need. You need speed and power, as Jeremy Clarkson always said. Speed and power will get the job done. I don't know why I braked. The 3 stars? 2 stars. 396. We did 366. Higher. Right, we can do this. We can do this. I don't know why I braked. That's no need to brake there. I clicked higher. What the hell?
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Oh, not a good turning car. Here we go. Speed and power, speed and power. More speed. More speed. 333. Oh, 389. I mean, like. See, this is why I did the wheel spin in the last one, because I need a car that's just got insane top speed, and we didn't get one. But that highway camera's 370. Yeah, I mean, it's going to take some grinding. It'll definitely take some grinding. We'll go do this race and see how we get on with this race. I mean, what was this? S2 class? I mean, here we go. Let's do the Horizon Edition car. Let's go all out. Beast. Balls to the wall. Rocket ship. Versus all the world time attack cars. It's never a good thing. But look at him go. Go on, Forza Edition. Oh, what a move. Hold it. Holy, cleaning up. Woo. This thing is a speed demon. Oh, wheel spin. Wow, its braking just then was very impressive. I've completely gapped him. Holy Christ. Oh, the grip turning. This thing is just a rocket ship. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, very, very throttle happy. There we go. Oh wow, that's the dub. Wow. And flex on them all. I bumped them. Wow, that thing was a speed machine. Whew. That was quick. That was a very that car. Wow, I cannot believe how well that handled. All right, that's one race down. I mean, I can get to that time. What the 600 meters? I mean, like, what are we doing, game? Like, Jesus Christ. But yeah, 350. I mean, we're gonna need some speedy cars to do some of these speed zones. So I just don't think I got cars. But 512. Ugh. Let's go do another race, and that'll probably do it for today, potentially. So we're racing a Range Rover. Only option. Let's go. Come on. It's a lap race, okay. Turn it into me. Smooth as fast, fast as smooth, baby, come on. Alright. Chasing down Bowie. Up and under. Beautiful move. On the straight. Get out of here. Easy. I mean, we are chewing up everyone at the moment in races. Glad that was breakable because I thought I was hitting a wall just then. Anyways, we chipping away. I have no idea where I'm going right now. I'm looking at the mini map and looking ahead. This is going to get confusing. Whoa. Bloody sharpest corner in the bloody game, that is. Oh. Alright. We actually don't have a huge lead here. Right, we can pull away in the first half and then just hold the lead through the second. Nice, nice. Come on. Turn. Right, we're looking good. Oh, bit of wall riding. Turn heavy car. Alright, I think we're in a really good spot right now. We just need to get around this hairpin cleanly and we should have done this. Hold it. Oh my god. Nailed it. First place, baby. There we go. Alright, get the win there. We only have a few races to go now until... I mean, I didn't even know, like, is at legend status just the Goliath races? It's not anything else? You get to race a Lamborghini Aventador and that's going to be sick. We're at 13. We don't have a lot to go. Also, not like a... We have all the new seasonal stuff as well. Hypercars. You know, we'll do one more race, and then that'll be it for this episode. And then I will be grinding off screen to get all the skill points and that to get legend status. But as for right now, we're going to do this last race. Hypercars, always a good class. And let's race this Koenigsegg. I think I got gifted this or won this or something. I haven't bought it. Koenigsegg. Yeah, I haven't actually bought a car unless I've had to for a race. But yeah, yeah. So we'll see how this goes. No, wait. What difficulty are we on? Should be on highly skilled. That's why I've been winning easily. I don't know why it changed down. Anyways. We'll just get smoked now. I'm gonna get absolutely blasted. Holy Bowie knife in the AMG one. That's scary. Oh, this thing is a... Holy crap, this thing's a rocket ship. Make sure you hit the checkpoint, Brendan. Always crucial. Holy crap. This thing is a... Ooh! This thing is a machine. I've overcooked it. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. This thing's... I don't know, is it an ugly car? I think, I don't... To me, it's not the greatest looking Koenigsegg, that's for sure. Bit of a technical section here. Trying to get it turned in. Beautiful-ish. Sort of, maybe. Oh, we're going into this section. This is a very interesting... Oh my god, Brendan. We had a worse sector. Alright, we live. This should be it. downhill, bang, hit the wall, use it, love it. There we go, get the win. I mean, that thing is a rocket ship of a car. That was insane. So, yeah, that was good. Very quick race. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we'll have a look, obviously. God, I love the Lamborghini Aventadors. They're just such a good-looking car. That's like childhood dream car. It might not be like a grown-up car, but like as a child, you look at that car and go, yeah, that's a car I want. So, what are we at? We're 985 more to go. I will grind that off camera. I'll try and do as much as I can with the cars I got, because I don't want to buy cars, do them up without really showing them, like especially the special edition cars and whatnot. So, bit of grinding. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to get to the legend wristband. I mean, it's exciting though. We got one more to go. So yeah, very, very cool. Very cool. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. It'll really help us out. And take care. We'll see you all in the next one. See ya.